In front of us, we have the 202028 Honda Odyssey kit. This kit will lift your Honda 2 inches in the front and 2 inches in the rear. It comes with these front spacers here. We've just updated these recently. We've gone to a tab and slot. This makes it a little bit easier and faster to manufacture and reduces waste. We use the center hole to make the side tab. Pressed into it are 10mm studs. We include the 10mm nuts to go with it. It's the same thread pitch as the stock stud on your Honda. For the rear, we have these coil spring spacers. When you install them, you may have to take off the bump stop with a 14mm socket. And then these install above the spring isolator. And then we also include these sway bar links here. These are about 2 inches shorter than stock. We need to install those so that the control arm will not hit the sway bar link once it's lifted. Unlike most conventional suspensions, the McPherson strut in the Honda, the sway bar links have to get shorter, not longer, to compensate for the lift. Another add-on we have is the bump stop airbag kit. So if you want to put those little airbags in your Honda springs, this part is to replace the bump stop to give the airbag something to push on once your truck is lifted. It threads right into where the bump stop was, and it's a total replacement. So with this, the stock truck has a 29-inch tire on it, and I would recommend you can go probably to a max of a 30.5 tire, like a 265/60/18, with about a 35mm offset. It's probably a good place to start. Most of the people that call us, their main confusion is about the bump stop that goes through the center of the part here. So you do have to take that off on some of the Hondas. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward kit, and we've sold a whole lot of them, so I'm sure you'll be happy with it too. If there's anything I haven't covered, or you have other questions, give us a call at 888-660-5892.